Hi, so last week and the start of this week, we've been talking about the volume of three-dimensional shapes. There's another measurement of three-dimensional shapes that we're learning in this chapter. We're going to be talking about surface area. So I wanted to show you a really great tool in your ConnectEd website for understanding surface area. What I did here is logged into my daughter's account so that you could see a student account. And when you come to your Glendora portal, you'll see here a link to ConnectEd, which is a link to our textbook resources. So you'll start by opening your link to your textbook resources. And when you get here, you're going to have multiple textbooks. So you're going to choose your math textbook and go up to the menu here at the upper left. And down here you choose resources, the second one down. And then we're going to come here to tools. So in resources, we pick tools. And one more selection, we pick the e-toolkit. Now this toolkit allows us to look at three-dimensional shapes. We come over here to the word manipulatives and choose 3D figures. From here you take this piece and drag it into the middle of the screen. Okay, so now we can see we have a triangular based prism, and I'm going to go ahead and go to a cube. A cube is a special prism because all of the sides have equal area. This is the really cool part. So we could see the volume of this cube would be length times width times height, or 5 times 5 times 5, or 125. Another measurement that we can find is the surface area. So if we open up the shape, we can see the surface area by finding the area of one square here and multiplying it by 6. We'll know the total surface area of the cube. So you can see that one square would be 5 by 5, or 25. So since this is a cube, we would say there's 6 sides all of equal area times 25. This will have a surface area of 150. And since we're talking about area, we would say units squared. Okay, so there's an example of a cube. Cube is a special figure because all of the faces have the same dimension. To erase this one, I'm going to click here and I'm going to bring another shape on. This time we're going to look at a triangular based prism. Notice it has 2 triangle faces. This means that the triangle is the base shape. It has 3 square faces, or rectangular faces. Squares are rectangles, right? So 3 rectangular faces. The rectangular faces represent the lateral surface area of the shape. Okay, the triangles are the bases and the rectangles are the faces. So if you want to figure out the lateral surface area, what you're finding is the total surface area minus the bases. That gives you the lateral surface area. The lateral surface area on this prism is these rectangular shapes. So we can figure out the lateral surface area of this triangular based prism. Again, the base edge is 5 and 5. So this square, again, has an area of 25 because 5 times 5. This is 25 times 3. So the lateral surface area is going to be 75. As you see over here, it shows us the lateral surface area of 75. You can also go further in looking at some other shapes. They have pyramids. We can see pyramids and their surface area. This is a special pyramid because it's a tetrahedron where all 4 sides have the same area. We can have a square-based pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, or if we say a circle-based, we're going to get a cone. We can look at the parts of the cone, but they don't allow us to unfold the cones or the cylinders. Here's a sphere, again with the radius, and we can find the surface area and the volume by clicking here. So here's just a tool for you to use. So again, I recommend that you check out this tool and play with it. It's kind of fun way for you to understand. Surface area is the unfolded shape. This is called a net. The net of the shape will give us the surface area, and we find the area of each of the faces and find the sum. Thank you.